Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Planning and Design. In this video actually we are going to show you that how to insert your PDF file in AutoCAD as a DWG file. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to type command and you have to type import. Just click on enter. Now actually he is asking for your save file location. Now navigate back to the place where you have saved your file. So I have saved my file here in the documents, as you can see here. So this is my file. Actually you can preview it from the side, as you can see. So I'm not changing anything from here. I'm just clicking on open, and if you will open this file, as you can see, a dialog box like this will be open. Check these three boxes and click on OK. If you click OK, as you can see, the PDF file has been imported as a DWG file, as you can see. And you can also do the separation for your insert command. Go to insert, go to import PDF. You can also do this from here. So in this way you can import actually PDFs as a DWG. And thank you.